This video will show you how to convert currency in a reservation. Hotelogix lets you easily convert the currency of a transaction to another currency using the currency converter feature. Let us see how. Right-click the reservation for which you want to convert the currency. Click Payments in the context menu that opens. The Payments page opens in a new tab. In the Payments section, click the Mode drop-down arrow to select Payment Mode. Similarly, click the Type drop-down arrow to select the payment type. Please note that selecting these two fields is important, as the currency conversion is a temporary activity performed at the time of payment. Once payment is made, the converted currency changes to its default selection. Under the payment column of the account statement grid, click the Currency Converter link. The Currency Converter panel opens. Click the Select Currency drop-down arrow to open the list and select the new currency. Please note that the system displays only acceptable currencies in the drop-down list. You can add more currencies using Admin Console. Note that in the row above, the system automatically displays the payment amount along with its current currency. Do not make any changes to this field. Click the Convert button. The amount converted appears in blue on the Currency Converter panel. Click Continue to Pay if you want to accept payment in the converted currency. The converted currency symbol and amount is updated in the Amount column of the Payments section. Click the Pay Now link to accept the payment in the new currency. The payment made in converted currency now shows up in the account statement grid. This brings us to the end of the video on how to convert currency in a reservation.